Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by making sure you can run server commands. This is required to access preview features quickly. Open the console or host single player with admin privileges, then enable cheats so the commands will execute. Once done, confirm the exact blueprint or spawn command you need. That avoids guesswork. You'll enter a preview toggle that acts on that target. By preparing these items and rights first, you reduce downtime and prevent permissions errors when you flip preview on. Now you will run the core commands to actually enable preview mode for your chosen entity. Open the console and input the toggle command plus the blueprint or entity ID. Include skin or variant parameters if you want the exact appearance. Watch the on-screen preview to confirm scale, attachments, and animations before committing. If the preview looks wrong, adjust parameters and rerun the command rather than spawning multiple objects. This conserves server resources and prevents clutter. Finish by committing the spawn when you're happy with the preview, or cancel it if adjustments remain. Committing applies the object to the world permanently. Afterward, clean up any temporary preview instances to keep your map tidy and performant. If something goes wrong, no preview, wrong model, or command rejected. First verify you still have admin or cheat access, then double-check the blueprint ID and parameter syntax. If errors persist, reload the map or restart the session to clear cached preview data.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.